This morning I'm out at the Rancho Penasquitos Canyon with my wife Elissa, doing a little birding trip, looking for the Lewis's woodpecker. And just this is my first time here, so see what we can find. Gnatcatcher. I think it's a blue-gray gnatcatcher. Says Phoebe. Spotted Towhee. His head is behind a stick. There we go, that's better. Spotted Towhee. Red-tailed hawk. Song sparrow. It's a group of white-crowned sparrows. It's been raining lately. Well, it rained a couple weeks ago, so it actually has a running stream here.
Oh, there it is.
White-breasted Nuthatch. Black Phoebe. Bushtit. And that's Hummingbird.
That's amazing.
There's a house finch, a couple house finches. There's a kingbird up there. I think it's a Cassin's. Yeah, Cassin's king. Wow. What are these? California scrub jay. Here's a nice shot of a California towhee. Here's a pair of California quails. Wow, here's a great shot of a California Thrasher eating those berries. That's beautiful. Mourning Dove. lesser goldfinch way over there. American crow. There's a big group of western meadowlarks. This grassy field. Here's a good look at a European starling. These ones are normally far away or high up on telephone poles. This one's just right in front of me. There's a Nuttall's woodpecker. That's cool. Looks like it's eating in an old pomegranate. Wow. It's a Yellow-rumped Warbler. Here's a really nice view of a red-shouldered hawk. So here's the ranch house, and in the report it said the Lewis's woodpecker was just west of the ranch house, so I'm gonna go over this way, see if we can find it. Wow, there it is. The Lewis woodpecker. The Lewis's woodpecker. Try to get a closer look. Here's a little better a shot from the front. Alright, just finishing up today, and wow, saw the Lewis's woodpecker and a lot of other birds too. Saw the California thrasher, that was really awesome, and saw a lot more birds than I thought I would, so had a really great time, and wrapping it up for today. Thanks for watching, see you next time.